Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you all are safe. Asking this because today morning, Monday 17 Feb 2025, we had a very strong tremor and it struck Delhi at approximately 5:36 a.m. So this is like first-hand experience for all of us. It was a big jolt with rumbling sound. Though after reading the reports, many people said the earthquake measured 4.0 on the Richter scale only, so it was mild. But no, it was not mild at all for us as we experienced. It was horrible. The epicenter of the quake was in Dolakuma. There were no immediate reports of casualty or significant damage. However, some trees were uprooted, and all the residents of Delhi and surrounding areas reported feeling tremors and scared. And around 11:30 or 40 a.m., we read the news that there were tremors, though with insignificant impact, felt in Bihar and Odisha in many areas. So the officials are still assessing the situation whether there will be after tremors or not. As a precaution, residents are advised to follow earthquake safety protocols and stay tuned with the news. But then seeing this, I thought it's better I will talk about the earthquakes in detail. And since everybody is saying it's a shallow earthquake, so let's know what is shallow earthquake. A shallow earthquake is one that occurs at relatively shallow depth, typically less than 70 kilometers below the Earth's surface. These earthquakes tend to cause more damage actually, and they are often felt more strongly than deeper earthquakes. On the other hand, a deep earthquake occurs at a much greater depth, typically more than 300 kilometers, that is 186 miles, below the Earth's surface. These earthquakes tend to cause less damage and they are often not felt as strongly as shallow earthquakes. So, shallow earthquakes tend to cause more damage because the epicenter is nearer to the Earth's surface and they are felt more strongly. They can trigger landslide and tsunamis. Deep earthquakes, on the other hand, tend to cause less damage and they are not often felt as strongly. We should also see why and what causes these earthquakes to occur. And they are very powerful natural disasters, so we should explore the reasons also. The biggest reason for earthquakes is plate tectonics. The earth crust is broken into several large plates that move relative to each other. They move. As these plates move, they can get stuck at their boundaries, causing stress to build up. When the stress becomes too great, the plates will suddenly move, releasing the stored energy as seismic waves. Then volcanic activity can also be the another reason for earthquakes. Now, volcanoes are areas where magma from the Earth's interior rises to the surface. As the magma moves, it can cause the ground to have jolt and shake and resulting in earthquakes. Very important part of this is human activities. Human activities can also contribute to earthquakes. For example, injection of fluid into the ground, such as fracking or wastewater disposal, can alter the stress on the Earth's crust, and this also causes earthquakes. There are natural processes which dominate as reasons for the earthquakes, such as movement of groundwater or the collapse of underground caverns can also cause earthquakes at times. That's all for today. Earthquakes are complex phenomena with multiple causes, and understanding these reasons can help us better prepare and respond to earthquakes. So stay alert and take care of yourself. And if you feel tremors, please come out of your house. Stay safe. Thank you very much.